2020 has been a very interesting year. And during that time, including this video, we have released 30 videos, which is amazing, but we can do better. My main problem for 2020 has been that I haven't been consistent at all. And looking at the analytics, we can clearly see that I didn't create any videos for the first 5 months. But instead of focusing on the bad parts, let's zoom in a bit, and we can clearly see the trend going forward. These last couple of months have been some of the important months for this channel, where we have done a complete rework of the whole structure of videos. And of course, that will only be improved. Some other milestones we have reached is having the website set up, where we have a big PR incoming for a lot of changes for that site, which I'm super excited about. Now another very important goal reached is that we have now 5 supporters over at Patreon, which I just want to say a huge thank you. All of you who have watched me on YouTube, supporting me on Patreon, checking out my website, every single one of you actually makes this possible. Here are some statistics for the last couple of months. And of course, this is not to brag, but more motivate you. I did not think any of this would be possible 2 years ago, but I just knew that some of my work may actually benefit someone. But now, going forward for 2021, I want to set up some goals that I want to try to reach. Now, releasing 30 videos this year was amazing, but of course we can do better. So next year, 2021, every week should be a new video, where the goal is to create 52 videos that year. These videos will of course have the same quality that you have seen for the last couple of months, and should of course improve over time as well. Another goal is to get the site up and ready, where you can actually read blog posts for every new video that's going to be released. So in case you just want to read a quick overview of the video and don't actually want to watch it, you're free to do that as well. Just come by and click like. Now for the last goal I actually want to reach is to create a Flutter course. Now the structure of these courses will be very unique and will follow a complete project-driven design, where you learn things and also put them into practice. Now, I'm sorry this video was a very short one, but I really want to say again thank you all for watching this video. We will make 2021 a good year. Now you have already supported me enough by watching this video, but if you feel like you want to do something more, consider supporting me over at Patreon. I have a lot of nice perks over there, which is also going to be improved during 2021. Of course, another way you can support me is just by signing up to the newsletter on the site. And with that, I will see you next year.